Mastering the Art of Bibliography, a journey into the world of books. From the vast shelves of libraries to the intricate pathways of online databases, our journey begins. The bibliographer, a guardian of knowledge, starts their quest for obscure publications. Laser-focused, they sift through numerous sources, verifying intricate details. Publication dates, authors, the bibliographer leaves no stone unturned. Accuracy is their mantra, precision, their tool of trade. But a bibliographer's responsibility doesn't end there. They ensure that all information stays relevant and up-to-date, a continuous process of refinement. Their work is a labor of love, fueled by respect for the written word. Each book, each publication, a testament to their dedication. Indeed, being a bibliographer is no easy task. It demands patience, meticulousness, and a keen eye for detail. So, embark on this journey with us, as we delve deeper into the captivating world of bibliography, celebrating the unsung heroes behind our books. Unraveling Mysteries, a day in the life of a bibliographer. Dawn breaks and the bibliographer begins their journey, exploring the vast universe of written works. It's a world of discovery, ripe with suspense and anticipation. With each book they delve into, they uncover the hidden stories behind the words. Every page turned, every author's thought explored, fuels their passion for knowledge. As they compile bibliographies, they meticulously document each finding. It's not just a list of books or articles, but a roadmap to a subject, an author, or a period.